everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share the latest working codes in Dress to Impress from the Lana's Apartment update. This is one of the newest and most exciting updates in the game. It introduces the Lana's Apartment location, along with new outfits, stylish accessories, and exclusive rewards that players can unlock by using the newest codes. With these new codes, you will be able to unlock many exciting rewards instantly. Make sure to watch this video until the end, because I will be giving you all the codes step by step, and you definitely don't want to miss any of them. And here's something interesting. If this video reaches 1,000 likes, I will select some of you from the comments and send exclusive VIP gifts. So stay tuned, follow everything carefully, and don't skip any part of this video. First, let me show you how to redeem these codes. When you open Dress to Impress, you will find the redeem code option on the main screen. Tap on it, and a small box will appear where you can enter the code. After typing the code, press confirm, and you will instantly receive your reward. It's quick, simple, and very easy. Now let's move on to the newest working codes from the Lana's Apartment update. These codes are newly released, so make sure to use them as soon as possible before they expire. Each code will give you valuable rewards such as new outfits, stylish accessories, exclusive items, and other special bonuses related to the Lana's Apartment update. I will also share a few helpful tips to maximize your rewards in the game. For example, using multiple codes together can unlock more items faster. And don't forget to check the game daily, because developers often release new codes that give extra rewards. Alright, let's begin redeeming the codes one by one so you can claim all the amazing items and upgrades.